I'm on Parris, Jermaine Parris. I'm the captain of Barbican.
All right, Jermaine. So far, you guys have been doing quite well. You didn't start off the season as though you wanted to, but you guys matriculating into the season and start performing better. Now you guys are in the semi-finals. How has the season been so far for you and the team?
Well, pretty much as we said, the season, the starting of the season never goes so well. We lost the first 3 matches, but we bounced back from that, and every game we take one step at a time. We win and move forward as a team.
How important is your role as a captain of the team, especially you guys started off so bad, to keep the players grounded at that particular time and not lose focus and keep confident?
All right, to be honest, we have a crop of young players. If you can get the young players them to listen to the senior players, it can't go no better than that, because them look up to we as a young player. So we just get out everybody in and tell them, say, listen, we have to fight this, because we have to win this Super League.
So we're approaching the semi-finals right now. What do you know about your opponents, and have you guys strategized you're going to approach that game?
Well, we have to tell you the honest truth. We're giving Boyz the edge because most of our players have left and gone to Portugal. So that is then a good look for the team, but we can get around it. We can get around it and beat them. Or if we can hold a draw and carry them back at our home ground and defeat them.
As Boyz are basically going to this game as favourites. It's normal Boyz, they're the big name club, and so, but they're going there as favourites. Do you think that going there as an underdog actually take a little bit of the pressure off the team's back and just strike them like that?
Yeah, very much, because them are going to look at us as a weak team coming into Boyz to play against them. So, as the underdog, we always surprise people.
It's important to keep the team balance as well, in regards to the mental aspect. What do you think about like the training preparations for the finals, or the training preparation going? Coach, tell us that things are going good, but from a player perspective and also the captain perspective, how are training going?
Yeah, very, very optimistic. Everybody have them A game going into the semi-final. Training, fitness, physical, up.
All right, Parris. Congratulations on advancing the semi-finals, especially with a young squad. Hope to see what you guys do. As you guys know, we always bring good football. We want to see some good football over the weekend in the semi-finals.
Thanks much.
Wish you all the best, yeah?
Yeah, man. Very well.